Welcome to our Tagalog or Filipino grammar lesson, which is about the use of din or rin, DAW or RAW, dito or rito, and doon or roon. When we say din or rin, it means to or also. They mean the same. When we say DAW or RAW, it means he or she or they said or someone said. DAW or RAW. When we say dito or rito, it means here. Dito, rito. When we say doon or roon, it means there. Doon, roon. Din, rin. DAW, RAW. Dito, rito. Doon, roon. Rin, rito, RAW, and roon is used when the word before it ends with a vowel or patinig in Tagalog. So that's either your a, e, i, o, o. So if a word before that ends with either a, e, i, o, or u, you'll have to use either rin, rito, raw, or roon. So you'll have to kind of like choose between din and rin. So rin and rito or raw or roon is used for that. And then also, if it's a semi-vowel, which we have here W or Y, you will also use the ones with an R. With an R. You'll have to use that. Let's have this one. Bata rin. That means a kid too. Bata rin. Note that the word bata ends with a vowel A, so you'll have to use the word rin instead of a din. So rin is used if the word before that ends with a vowel. The next one is malinaw rin. Malinaw rin. So it ends with a W, a semi-vowel. So you'll have to use rin. Bata rin, malinaw rin. When we say malinaw, that means clear. Halika rito. Halika rito, that means come here. Halika rito. So note that the word halika ends with an A, ka, A. So you'll have to use the word rito and not dito. Halika rito. Masaya rito, that means it's very lively here, it's very happy here. Masaya rito. Also note that the word masaya ends with an A, which is a vowel, so you'll have to use the word rito instead of dito. Next is maganda raw. He or she or they said it's pretty or someone said it's pretty. Maganda raw. Note that the word maganda ends with an A, so you'll have to use raw and not daw. Next is umaga raw. He or she or they said it's in the morning. Kailan kayo aalis? Sa umaga raw. Sa umaga raw. So the word umaga ends with an A, which is a vowel, so you'll have to use raw and not daw. Another one is for roon and doon. So the word banda ends with an A, which is a vowel, so you'll have to use the word roon and not doon. Banda roon. That means somewhere like there, over there. Banda roon. Sa dako roon. So note that the word dako ends with an O, which is a vowel, so you'll have to use roon and not doon. Sa dako roon. Saan ba ang bahay nyo? Where's your house at? Sa dako roon. Sa banda roon. Next is for din, dito, daw, and doon. So, the ones with a D. This is used when the word before it ends with a consonant or katinig. So, this is used when the word before it ends with a consonant or a katinig in Tagalog. So, you have your, aside from A, E, I, O, U, and W, and Y. So, the rest like B, C, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. So you'll have to use din, dito, daw, or doon. Let us have the following examples. Aalis din sila. Because the word aalis ends with a consonant S, so you'll have to use din and not rin. So aalis din sila, it means they will also leave. Masarap din. So when we say masarap, that means delicious. The word masarap ends with letter P, which is a consonant. So you'll have to use din and not rin. Next is kailangan dito. Needs to be here. Kailangan dito or kailangan dito. Note that the word kailangan or kailangan ends with an N, which is a consonant. So dito is the correct answer and not rito. Abangan mo dito, that means watch out here. Abangan mo dito. Abangan mo dito. So, the word mo, that's a pronoun. So, the word abangan ends with an N. So, you'll have to use dito. Abangan mo dito. Kailangan dito. Abangan mo dito. Next is daw. So, masarap daw. Like we've had earlier, someone said it's delicious. Masarap daw. Kasi the word masarap ends with a P. Masarap daw. And then, maingay daw. Maingay, when we say ingay, that's noise or noisy. Maingay daw. Someone said it's noisy. Maingay daw. Masarap daw ang lechon. Masarap daw ang pansit. Maingay daw sa probinsya. Maingay daw sa lungsod. Next one is doon tayo nakatayo. Stand or we stood over there. Like maybe in the past, doon tayo nakatayo noong nakaraang taon. We stood there like last year. Doon tayo nakatayo. And then also, doon can also be used like at the end of the sentence. Tahimik doon sa probinsya. Tahimik doon sa Passi. Tahimik doon sa Iloilo. Doon. So, tahimik means silent. Doon nakatayo. And tahimik doon. And also note that for din, dito, daw, and doon, it is also used for words ending in ra, re, ri, ro, ru, raw, and ray. Let us have the following examples. Araw-araw daw. Maaari din. So, araw-araw daw. Araw-araw, that's day. So, araw-araw, every day, he said, she said, they said, someone said, it's every day. Araw-araw daw. Maaari din, that means can also or can be. Maaari din kayong pumunta. You can also join. Araw-araw daw, maaari din. Next is guro din siya. Guro din siya. So he or she is also a teacher. A guro is a teacher. Guro din siya. Guro din siya. Next is bihira daw. When we say bihira, that means it's seldom. So someone said it's seldom. He said it's seldom. She said it's seldom. Bihira daw. Guro din siya. Bihira daw. For dito and doon, this can also be used at the beginning of a sentence. That's for dito and doon. Dito kami pupunta. Dito kami pupunta. It means we will go here. Dito kami pupunta. Doon tayo maligo. Let's go swimming over there. Dito kami pupunta. Doon tayo maligo. Next is dito lang ako. Dito lang ako. I'll just be here. Dito lang ako. Another one, it's cold there. Malamig doon. Malamig doon. Malamig doon sa Baguio. Dito lang ako. Malamig doon. Once again, din and rin means to or also in English. Daw or raw is he said, they said, she said, or someone said. Daw or raw. Dito and rito is here in English. Dito, rito. And doon or roon is there in English. Din, rin, daw, raw. Dito, rito. Doon, roon. And that's all for our Filipino or Tagalog grammar lesson, which is about the use of din, rin, daw, raw, dito, rito, and doon, roon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.